Every dead strategy in history was killed by one of four things. Not by the market, not by the algorithms, not by bad luck. Four killers. And here's the uncomfortable part. Three of them are self-inflicted. Today, we do the autopsy. In What is a Trading Edge, we defined an edge, positive expectancy, repeated. So if edges exist, why do 90% of traders lose? This is the answer. Four killers, each one shown with real numbers on MERIDIAN. And at the end, the checklist that keeps your strategy off the autopsy table. Here they are. Memorize these four faces. Killer number 1, the phantom edge. The strategy never had an edge at all. The backtest was a mirage. Killer number 2, the cost bleed. The edge was real, but smaller than the toll booth. Killer number 3, the early funeral. A healthy strategy, buried alive in the middle of a completely normal losing streak. And killer number 4, the overdose. Right strategy, fatal dose. Sized so big that ordinary variance destroyed the account. Let's take them one at a time. Take MERIDIAN's entire price history and start hunting. Sooner or later, you'll find something. Buy on Tuesdays, after 2 red days, when volume dropped. Look, 82% winners. Here's the problem. Torture data long enough, and it confesses to anything. That left chart is the confession, a rule fitted perfectly to the past. The right chart is the trial. Same rules, new data. The mirage evaporates in weeks. An edge needs a reason, some crowd behavior that repeats. If you can't say why it should work, the backtest isn't evidence. It's a coincidence, wearing a suit. Remember the one-sentence edge test? It demands the because, this is why. Killer number 2 hides in plain sight. Costs. Look at this chart carefully. It's the same strategy, twice. Before costs, the green line, it works. A real, genuine edge. Now subtract brokerage, exchange fees and taxes, and slippage. The difference between the price you saw and the price you got. The red line, same signals, same trades. Dead. Run it on MERIDIAN. A scalping version nets $9 per trade before costs. The round trip costs $11. That's minus $2, 20 times a day, while feeling like a winner on every chart you check. Years ago, there was a famous Holy Grail newsletter system, a decade of beautiful paper profits. The day someone added transaction costs to the math, a decade of profits vanished. It had never worked. Not for one single year. Frequency multiplies costs. It does not multiply edge. Killer number 3 doesn't touch the strategy. It goes after you. Remember our benchmark system, 35% win rate, 3-to-1 winners, a genuine plus 0.4 R edge. Here's what the math guarantees. In your first 100 trades, the chance of hitting an 8-loss streak is about 95%. 95%. The streak isn't a malfunction. It's on the schedule. But look at the chart. The white line is a trader living through that streak. 8 losses. Doubt. The forums say the edge is dead. And right there, at the exact bottom, they quit. The blue line is the same system, continuing without them. New highs. The strategy didn't die. It got buried alive. The last killer is the fastest. Same MERIDIAN signals, identical entries, identical exits. The only difference is the dose. The blue account risks 1% per trade. The same 8-loss streak stings, down about 8%. Then it compounds onto $16,000. The red account risks 10% per trade. The same streak cuts the account by 57%. To get back to even from there, you need plus 132%. On half the capital, with a shattered nerve. Mathematically alive, Practically finished. Position size doesn't change your edge. It decides whether you survive long enough to collect it. Now step back and look at the pattern. The phantom edge, that was you, fitting the past instead of demanding a reason. The early funeral, you again, quitting a healthy edge at its scheduled low. The overdose, you, sizing for greed instead of variance. Only the cost bleed belongs to the market, and even that one dies the moment you actually do the math. Strategies are rarely murdered. Mostly, it's suicide. And that is genuinely good news, because self-inflicted means preventable. Which brings us to the myth that needs to die today. The strategy stopped working because too many people discovered it. You'll hear this everywhere. It's the trader's favorite obituary, because it makes the market the villain. The truth? Usually, the strategy never worked after costs. Not on day one. The crowd didn't kill it. The toll booth did quietly, from the very first trade. Real crowding does exist, for billion-dollar funds fighting over the same fills. At our size, check the boring explanation first. 16 years on the desk. Here's my autopsy report. I have retired more strategies for cost drag than for being wrong. Wrong strategies announce themselves, fast and loud. Cost bleeders whisper. On the surface, the system looks healthy. Underneath, it's losing a few dollars per trade. Forever. The silent killer. Check for it first. So, here's the antidote. One line per killer. Screenshot this. Against the phantom edge. Demand a reason first, then proof on data the rule has never seen. Against the cost bleed. Do the expectancy math after costs, at your real position size, not the broker's fantasy. Against the early funeral. Write the drawdown script before trade 1. 8 losses in a row is normal. Signed by you on a good day. Against the overdose. Size at 1%. Variance must sting, never kill. 3 things leave with you today. 1. Strategies rarely die of murder. 3 of the 4 killers are self-inflicted, which means 3 of them are preventable. 2. Costs are the silent killer. Judge every edge after the toll, never before. 3. Losing streaks are a feature of a healthy edge. Pre-write your response, so the streak can't write it for you. So now you know what kills strategies. Which raises the real question. Which strategies have survived? Not for a year, for a century of markets. Through wars, crashes, and every technology change. There are 10,000 strategies out there, but they all collapse into just 4 families. Next episode, the 4 families. Learn them once, and you can classify anything. The full Trading Strategies playlist is on screen, every episode in order. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the 4 families.